Have you ever wanted to dive into the world of data science? You are in the right place. Welcome to our channel Transform Academy. Data science, a fascinating field, filled with opportunities. Today, we'll explore how to learn data science from scratch, step by step. Many people feel overwhelmed when starting. Data science involves statistics, programming, and machine learning. But don't worry, we'll simplify this for you. First, let's discuss the basics you need. You'll want to start with mathematics. Key areas include statistics, algebra, and calculus. Knowing these will build a strong foundation. Next, you need programming skills. Python is highly recommended. It is user-friendly and widely used in data science. Learn the basics, including data structures and libraries. After your programming skills, move on to data manipulation. Tools such as Pandas and NumPy will help you with this. They allow you to tidy and analyze your data effectively. Now, let's touch on data visualization. This is crucial for sharing your findings. Use libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. They'll help you create meaningful graphs and charts easily. Once you're comfortable with these tools, it's time for machine learning. Start with simple algorithms such as linear regression and logistic regression. Gradually explore more complex models. Additionally, practice is key. Work on real-world projects. Websites like Kaggle offer datasets and competitions to challenge your skills. Networking is also important in this field. Join online forums or local meetups. Engaging with others will expand your knowledge base. To summarize, start with mathematics and programming. Learn data manipulation, visualization, and machine learning. Practice through projects and network with others. Ready to embark on your data science journey? Begin with the first step. The world of data awaits you. Looking to start your journey in data science? Enroll now in Transform Academy's data science courses on our website using the link in description box below. Subscribe for more blogs, updates, and career tips.